I'm Doc Segurado. As a physician scientist specialized in neuroscience and immunology, but also passionate for holistic medicine, I've developed a mental framework to achieve well-being, focusing on regulating anxiety and reducing stress. I'm the president and founder of the non-profit Neo-Chi Institute and would like to share with you best practices to optimize your lifestyle. I would like to invite you to my free Zoom webinar about financial anxiety. You will learn to focus on the three key elements to reduce financial anxiety and develop a powerful mental and emotional attitude towards earning, saving, and investing your money. You will learn how to apply mindful framing and the Neo-Chi lifestyle through daily practices and routines that will bring you financial stability and success. Register now and join the Neo-Chi lifestyle.